Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can delete all your search history on your Facebook. You can delete your all-time search history from your Facebook account in a single click. So how will you do it? Just simply open your Facebook account and go to your click on your profile. Now here click on this gear option and go to your settings. In settings, scroll down and here at the bottom you can see here your activity. You will find an option called activity log. Just simply click on this activity log, and now at the top you can see there are three options. At the last one you can see the option called activity history. Just simply click on this activity history. Just simply click on this filter option. At the top you can see this filter option. Click on this and just click on categories. And now at the bottom you can see at the very last the option called logged information. Just simply click on this logged information and now click on this search, and here you can see the option called your search history. So simply click on this your search history, and here your search history will be visible to you. Just simply you will click on clear search history and all your search history will be removed, as I have already removed just before this video, so that's why it's showing me this. So this is how you can delete all your search history from your Facebook account.